To enable real-time streaming of your trades into TradeCortex, you'll need to configure your Trader Workstation or IB Gateway for API access. You can use either one based on your preference. This video will guide you through the setup process for both. To configure your API for connections in IB Gateway, follow these steps. First, log into your IB Gateway. Next, navigate to Configure, then Settings. In the left side panel, select API and then Settings. Within the API settings, choose the socket port you want to use. We recommend port 4000 for live accounts and port 4001 for demo accounts. However, the port selection is ultimately your choice. Save the port number. You will need it to configure your TradeCortex client. Unless you are actively trading through IB Gateway, we recommend selecting the read-only API option. TradeCortex will never write any data to your Interactive Brokers account. Click Apply. In order for the TradeCortex client to access your trading data, your IB Gateway needs to be running. To set up your API access in Trader Workstation or TWS, follow these steps. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account using TWS. Then click File, followed by Global Configuration. Find your API settings in the left side panel and click Settings. In the API settings, select your socket port. We recommend port 7496 for live accounts and port 7497 for demo accounts. However, the choice is yours. Enable ActiveX and socket clients and select Read-Only API. TradeCortex will never write any data to your Interactive Brokers account. Save the port number. You will need it to configure your TradeCortex client. Then, save your settings by clicking OK or Apply. In order for the TradeCortex client to access your trading data, your TWS needs to be running.